Okay, how to use adjectives in a sentence. So we have two different ways that I'm going to go over here. So first, we have our subject plus verb plus article plus noun plus adjective. Okay, that sounds like a lot, but when you see it as an example, it looks like this. They is our subject. Have is our verb. A is our article. House is our noun. And yellow is our adjective. Okay, so they have a house yellow is how you'd say it in Italian. Or for another example, she has a cat gray. Okay, I wrote it in English that way so that you'd remember it a little bit easier when you go to translate it into Italian. Or if you're using a linking or a sensing verb, such as to be or to seem, it follows the same pattern as in English. Okay, so if you want to say I am happy, okay, we'd have our subject, I, our linking or sensing verb, am, and then our adjective, happy, or you are intelligent. Okay, so it's the same, follows the same pattern in English and Italian. Okay, so back to number one here, we have our soggetto, più verbo, più articolo, più sostantivo, più aggettivo. Okay, più just means plus. So loro, again, loro is optional, hanno una casa gialla. They have a house yellow. Okay, or lei ha un gatto grigio. She has a cat gray. Or number two, we have our subject, our soggetto, our verbo di collegamento or sensoriale, sensing verbs. So essere or sembrare, for example, and then our adjective, our aggettivo. So io sono felice. I am happy. Or to say intelligente, you are intelligent. Okay, so that, once again, is the same order as in English. Okay, so hopefully that clarifies things a little bit. And now you have two different ways to use an adjective in a sentence.